Hello everyone, welcome and thank you so much for joining this event. So today I'm going to design my tools website for free with the help of AI tools. So tool which I'm going to use for this session will be Figma Make, which is a byproduct of a bigger tool called Figma, and it is being used industry-wide to design UX for applications. So if you look into their plan, they have a starter package which is absolutely free. You just have to sign up and you will get a good amount of free AI credit, which is monthly limit of around 500. And they have other plans like enterprise level and professional level plans with different set of features. So I'm going to use my existing account which I've created using Google. So I just simply click on it and it will take me to my dashboard. So once you land on your dashboard, this will look like this. As you can see, I have few projects already set up. So what I will be doing, I'll be clicking on this Figma Make on the top right corner. So this is the dashboard we will land in for Figma Make, but I'm not going to create a new project. So what I will do, I have existing project set up which I already created for this workshop, and I'll be straight away go and importing that. I'll click on this. I browse through my document folder and I'll upload it, and it will take some time to process, and that's it. Here you go. So you can simply design something and export it and save that particular file so that you can export later on if you have some important things which you want to preserve, you don't want to lost it. So you can leverage this option. You can export that, you can save that particular file in your directories or somewhere else safe, and later on you can import into your existing account or some new account if you want to transfer that particular project. So as you can see, like, this is my pre-work which I've already done, the website which I've created, and on the top you can see it's on version 7. Okay, so this is the prompt I started with. As you can see, it's a very basic and simple prompt with certain set of feature which I ask Figma Make to design for me. So I wanted to design this tool website. So I simply given this prompt and it started designing it. One prompt, and it gives me version 1, and then later on I change something with respect to design and features. So gradually I reached to version 7. So just have a look at it and let me go to version 1 so that you can see what was the initial outcome. So yes, you can explore between the versions and you will retain the full history with this tool. So as you can see, simply design the tool website and look at that, it's very wonderful. And that's how I progressed and given another prompt to make it a bit brighter. So I designed a version 2 for that, and it will load in couple of moment. And that's it. You can see it changed the style and theme of that particular website. So till now it's quite straightforward. I hope everyone else is following along. So it's best to follow along with this video so you will get a hands-on. And if you are facing any type of challenges, please drop a comment below so that I can help you fixing those problems. But I don't think anyone else will face any challenge, but if you do, please reach out to me with a comment in the box, so I'll definitely help you. Okay, so gradually I given multiple prompts, so you can also do the same with whatever you want to design, whether be it website or even if you want to design an app. You can give your prompts and you can give your needs, like what kind of application you want to design, what kind of style you are looking for, and it is going to update and create a version for you. But be mindful, like you, so with this free account you only get 500 credits monthly. So while prompting, you have to think about it and you have to optimize your prompt. Okay, so next step would be exporting this project. Click on this icon. You can see the complete code file. When you click on this download button at the top, it will export your complete project. So this I have created in React.js. So that's how the format is. You can design any framework. Okay, so once you have that file in place, you can go into GitHub and create your own repository where we will be uploading this files. Okay, and this course I've already uploaded in detail. So but I will do it right here live so that you can recap what you have learned from my earlier videos. Okay, so click on this repository. Here we go. You have test web app created. Next step would be uploading that particular file. So you have to click on this add file icon, click on upload files. But before that, there are a couple of settings which you can do, but I'm not going to do that right now. So we will leave it as is and we will go ahead and straight away upload those files. So once you click on that, it will take you here where you can choose your file or drag and drop. So I have that particular zip which I have downloaded right here. So these are the file content you can see. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag it. Here we go. Let's paste it here. So it will take a couple of minutes to upload all the files. So be patient. Okay, and post verification, make sure you validate like you've not missed any file. All the files are uploaded because every file is mandatory. One of the file is missing, then it is going to break. So be patient, verify, post upload. So we'll be waiting here for a couple of minutes. So you can see like 56, 59. Okay, so yeah, it is going to upload all the files. One thing I want to highlight, like post uploading all the files, we have to raise a pull request, or you can directly commit into main branch, because I have not set up any basic repositories rule. So those who are new, we have to shift this code to a new branch, our main branch. From there we will be building. So yep, here we are committing directly to main branch. Give any message you want. Okay, and we have other way to create a pull request by creating a new branch. So I've gone with the first step where I'm directly committing into main branch. It will process the file, and yeah, here we go. So on my main branch, you can see like it has all the files now to run our application. Okay, so let's go through and verify files. Next step would be hosting this application. Okay, for that we'll be using Vercel. Vercel is a hosting website which allow you to host your GitHub repository directly out of the box for free. So I'll be using my existing account for that, and I'm using free plan. So till now I've invested 0 rupees to host a website. So from here you can upload your new projects, but since I've already uploaded that project in place, as you can see below, my GitHub account is created and my repository is already selected. But this is the step if you want to go ahead and add yours. Okay, so you can search for your application. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now because I already have that in place, so I'll leave it as is. Okay, so you can see like this is my application. Yeah, so if I go here, so whatever projects you have, it will be listed here. So once I click on it, you can see the status ready, Okay, it has a subdomain out of the box, so you don't have to buy a domain in first place. If you need to host something, it's right there and it's done. With this, I conclude my session. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe us and hit the like button.